In Job chapter 19, verses 25 to 27, and he says, let us see the book of Job, chapter 19, verses 25 to 29. For I know that my Redeemer lives, and that he shall stand at the latter day upon the earth. Hallelujah. Verses 27. Verses 27 says, hallelujah, whom I shall see myself, and mine eyes shall behold, and not another, though my reins be consumed within me. Let's go back to 25 again. 25 says that, 25 says, for I know that my Redeemer lives, hallelujah, and that he shall stand at the latter day upon the earth. So the Old Testament saints like Job, Abraham, they know that Jesus Christ, there is a resurrection. Hallelujah. It is not the New Testament revelation. The Old Testament saints also, even though they don't know that deeply what is going to happen, they know it will happen. Hallelujah. That's what we read today also. Psalms number 16, verses 10. For thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, neither will you suffer thine Holy One to see corruption. Hallelujah. Before the birth of Jesus Christ, before, that is thousands of years before, King David is predicting that. Hallelujah. The birth of Jesus, the death of Jesus, the resurrection of Jesus. Hallelujah. We can see here. Hallelujah. So Jesus himself predicted his death. Matthew chapter 16 verses 21. Matthew chapter 17 verses 22. Matthew chapter 20 verses 17 to 19. All these portions, the book of the Gospel of Mark, the Gospel of John, all these places we can see the predictions. We can read one, Matthew chapter 16 verses 21. Hallelujah. The Gospel of Matthew chapter 16 verses 21. From that time forth began Jesus to show unto his disciples how that he must go unto Jerusalem and suffer many things of the elders and chief priests and scribes, and be killed, and be raised again the third day. Hallelujah. The predictions of Jesus Christ. He predicted himself. He said that many things of the elders and chief priests and the scribes, and be killed and be raised again on the third day. Hallelujah. All these predictions, hallelujah, came into, hallelujah, fulfilled. We can see that.